Dr. Ofner, you're in charge of the iFibr trial. What are the special features of it? The special features of the iFibr trial are that it complies with the very highest scientific standards. You have to imagine, in science, one speaks of so-called evidence levels. Now, the lowest evidence level is an expert opinion. An expert is consulted as to whether the product works or not. A higher evidence level would be if one had results based on case studies or case series as to whether it really worked or not. The next higher level would be to look at two groups retrospectively, where those in one group have used a product and those in the other have not. It is observed whether use of the product was more effective in, say, the reduction of back pain. An even higher level would be to compare two groups that have been targeted and assigned in advance. 20 patients lie down on a product containing substances, and 20 others lie down on a placebo product. But I make sure I know exactly who is lying where. That's an even better evidence level. And the very highest evidence level of all is a clinical trial. Here we try to exclude all random influences that might still be involved. Quite by chance, one group is given the product I wish to test, and the other group is given a placebo product, a comparison product. Then, over the next few weeks and months, we observe what changes occur in these two groups, and can then compare whether the group with the product I wish to test is actually better off than the one with the comparison product, or not. One then speaks of the highest level of scientific evidence. This is what the iFibr studies all have in common. They meet the very highest scientific standards, so they're significantly better than a simple expert opinion. And are there any trial results yet? Yes, there are, for the first study, namely for the topic of back pain. A total of 50 patients were examined. They were randomly assigned to either a placebo product group or to the iFibr mats group. The iFibr mat is basically a mattress overlay into which special iFibr fibrillum fibers are integrated. The comparison group had the same mattress with no iFibr. We investigated all kinds of different parameters, such as back pain, and discovered that the people in the iFibr group experienced a significant pain reduction, a most significant pain reduction compared to the placebo group. Of course, this represents massive value for patients who suffered from back pain for years. In addition to that, however, those who lay on this special mat experienced an improvement in mobility, an improvement in their quality of life and well-being. And most valuable of all, in my view, apart from the pain reduction, is the fact that those who lay on these iFibr products experienced a significant improvement in sleep quality. They fell asleep faster, they slept better and for longer, and that really did give them more energy to handle daily life. And how can these results be explained? The aim of the first part of this trial was to find out if there was any efficacy at all. In the second part, one has to evaluate how the whole thing functions. From laboratory results derived from product development, it's already known that iFibr products, with the fibrillum fiber they contain, result in significant reflection of the body's own radiation. Today, it's known in medicine that this body radiation has massive health value. It's used, for example, in tumor diagnostics, so-called fluorescence diagnostics, and also in tumor therapy, so-called photodynamic therapy. Many people will know that infrared therapy, as used in red light lamps as well as in infrared cabins, also reduces pain. And it's from these light-reflecting properties as a basis that the iFibr mat probably derives its effectiveness. But that has to be examined in the following studies, and will be part of the upcoming research. Dr. Ofner, thank you very much for this valuable information. Thank you.